Hey guys, Ed here. Today we have a 2018 Mazda 3, and in this video I'll show you how to remove your front driver's side door panel. So let's start. It's a very simple procedure. All tools we're gonna need to do this are two screwdrivers, flathead and Phillips screwdriver. So let's start. So first thing we're gonna take a flathead screwdriver and remove this cover inside. Okay, so carefully, just easy remove the cover. Nice. Next thing, same screwdriver, we're gonna remove this rubber piece. Try not to scratch anything, the car is almost new. Right there. Now we have access to two screws, 1 and 2. So we take our Phillips screwdriver and remove them. So I got my two screws out. Next step, right now the thing is the panel is being held down by clips all around the perimeter. Okay, so right now we're gonna try to just pull the panel off the door. So let's start. I'm gonna put you guys here. Find some leverage point. This corner is nice, and just pull on it slightly. Oh, you can hear the clips unclipping. Okay. 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 So it came off. Okay, so the door is off. We should be able to wiggle out the handle from the panel. Good. Then we disconnect connectors from the handle like this, and we're all set. As you guys can see, it's very simple. Oh, in this case, like this, you can see what happened. One clip didn't come out, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take it and take it out. Pliers would do a better job. All right, so we got it out right here, and just it's gonna do its job again. Just put it back in place. Okay. So at this point you can get to whatever you have to do, window motor, speaker, or whatever you guys have to do with it. Okay, very simple. After the job is done, we have to put everything back together. So how we do it? We just connect everything back together just the same way we took it off. So let's connect our connectors. Take the handle, slide it in, and find the correct position for it. Okay. Okay, good. Next step, put the top on first. Okay, like this, right? And then when you have clips aligned, just smack on the door. Don't smack on the door, just clip the clips back in place. Right? That's it. Now we have to put back in two screws, one in here. Make sure it's aligned. If it's not aligned, it means the panel is crooked. Okay, so something should be done in favor of fixing it. Like this. This is nice and this is nice. Put screws back in, and once the screws are back in, you just put your rubber piece and plastic piece inside. Pull on the handle and wiggle it in. Well, two hands would be better. Okay, and click it in. It should click in. Okay, so guys, this is it. Very simple procedure. I hope this helps. If it does, please press like button and have a great day. Bye.